Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIPS Home School. Here I am Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 3, today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class. And now today's topic is Lesson 3 from Chapter 2. And the name of this chapter is Living Together. And today we will discuss Lesson 3 and then we will do a true false and short question answer 4 and 5 from this chapter. So let's start our class today. So all of you can take your BGS book and go to page number 14. And lesson 3 and the topic is Buddhist and Christian festivals. That means we will know about the Buddhist festivals and the Christian festivals today. Okay, let's read. Buddha Purnima is the main Buddhist festival. So now look, Buddha Purnima is the main Buddhist festival and there is a picture. Now look, this is the picture of Buddha, Gautam Buddha, and it marks the birthday of Gautam Buddha. That means when Buddha Purnima marks the birthday of Gautam Buddha. And now look, those are the Buddhists and this is Buddha Purnima. That means they worship or they perform or they celebrate their festivals, Buddha Purnima. And during this festival, Buddhists offer special prayers together. Now look, they are offering special prayer together. Children participate in the activities with enjoyment. Another Buddhist festival is Maghi Purnima. So there are two festivals in the Buddhist religion, main festivals like Buddha Purnima is the main Buddhist festivals and there are other Buddhist festivals Maghi Purnima. And Buddha Purnima marks the birthday of Gautam Buddha. And how do they celebrate? They offer special prayers together. Now look, they are offering their prayers together and the children like you participate in different types of games or activities or enjoyment just like the children of you, they also celebrate their festivals. Now we will go to Christian festivals. Now look, there is a picture and there is a Santa Claus. We all know that, right? We all know that this is the Santa Claus and the main Christian festival is Christmas. So what is the main Christian festivals? It will be Christmas and you will find the Santa Claus on the Christmas day and it marks the birth of Jesus Christ. So it marks the birth of Jesus Christ and Buddha Purnima marks the birthday of Gautam Buddha. Don't mix up those two birthdays. Christmas marks the birth of Jesus Christ and Buddha Purnima marks the birthday of Gautam Buddha. Now look, Jesus Christ. And on this day, 25 December, Christians in our country go to church. So Christmas is celebrated on 25 December. So 25 December Christians celebrate their main festival which is Christmas. So Christians in our country go to church, people give presents to each other, have fun and eat a feast together. So this is how they celebrate their Christmas. They give presents to each other and they have a feast together and they also enjoy a lot. Christians celebrate Good Friday and Easter Sunday. So these are other festivals, they celebrate Good Friday and Easter Sunday. So those are the Christian festivals. So the Buddhists celebrate Buddha Purnima, Maghi Purnima. So Buddha Purnima is the main festival of the Buddhists and Maghi Purnima is another festival, which are remarkable festival of the Buddhists. And then Christians celebrate Christmas, Good Friday, Easter Sunday, and there are other festivals also, but those are the main festivals, remarkable festivals, and among them Christmas is the main festival. And how did they celebrate? They enjoyed a lot just like us. And the children played together or participate in different activities. And what is specialty Buddhists offer a special prayer together and Christians also go to the church and they give present to each other, and they also have a feast together. That means they eat a feast together. And now look, ethnic groups have their own religious festivals too. So in our country there are different types of ethnic people, and we have know about them in our first lesson. So those ethnic groups have their own religious festivals too. So they perform different activities, or they also celebrate their religious festivals in their own way. Now we will go to true false. So this is from chapter 2, true false, and the question is write whether the following statements are true or false. So if the statement is true, we will write true, and if the statement is not true, that means if it is false, we will write false. Number A, we have 4 main religions in our country. Is it true or false? Yes, we know that. Islam, then Hindu, now look, then Buddhist and Christian. So there are 4 main religions in our country. So the answer will be true. Now we will go to number B. The special children don't need special care. So what do you think? Is it true or false? Yes, I know all of you know the answer. It will be false, because the special children need special care. That's why they are special. That's why the answer of number B will be false. Now number C, Easter Sunday is Buddhist festival. So we have read now Easter Sunday is the Christian festival. So it will be false. So number C will be false. Now number D, ethnic groups have their own festivals. Is it true or false? We have read it. Now look, ethnic groups have their own religious festivals too. So the statement is correct or true. So we will write here true. Okay, let's read again. Number A, we have 4 main religions in our country, and the answer is true. Number B, the special children don't need special care. The answer is false. Number C, Easter Sunday is Buddhist festival. The answer is false. Number D, ethnic groups have their own festivals, and the answer is true. Now we will go to short question answer. Now look, answer the following questions in short. This is number 4, and in your previous class you have got number short question answer, I mean 1, 2 and 3, and today we will do 4 and 5. So number 4 is name the main Buddhist festival. And what is the main Buddhist festival? We have read now a few minutes ago that the name of this festival is Buddha Purnima, and our answer is the main Buddhist festival is Buddha Purnima. It marks the birthday of Gautama Buddha. I repeat it again. The main Buddhist festival is Buddha Purnima. It marks the birthday of Gautama Buddha. Now number 5. When do Christians celebrate their main festival? When do Christians celebrate their main festival? So what is the main festival of the Christian? We know that it is Christmas, and they celebrate it on 25 December. And the answer is the main festival of the Christians is Christmas. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. They celebrate the day on 25 December. I repeat the answer again. The main festival of the Christians is Christmas. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. They celebrate the day on 25 December. So dear students, this is the answer of number 5, and there is a homework for you. This is homework number 5, and your homework will be short question answer 4 and 5 from chapter 2. That means this short question answer 4 and 5, name the main Buddhist festival, and number 5, when do Christians celebrate their main festival. And dear students, one important thing, all of you will mention the you will write the homework number. This is your homework number 5. Don't forget to write the homework number at the corner of your page, homework copy, and all of you will mention the date also, and the date is 04/03/21. That means 4th March. All of you will mention the date and the homework number. This is homework number 5. It's very important. And also, you will also mention the topic. That means chapter 2 short question answer. So you are doing the short question answer as your homework. So all of you will mention the topic also, chapter 2. You will mention it. So some of the students didn't mention the homework number and the date or the topic. It's very important also. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. All of you will do your homework regularly and submit it on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. Dear students, all of you will listen to your parents. Hope we will see you again. Allah Hafiz.